Mango. Good morning. Good morning, Mommy. Good morning, Nacho. Yes. Mommy. Mommy. Mango. Nacho. You miss Mama? Huh? You missing Mommy? Yes? You missing your mother? Go make a pee-pee. Go make a pee-pee. Go make a poo-poo. He's already talking back. He's tired. We gotta take a little bit patient, but he's gonna be fine. Nacho! Nacho! What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Ah? Mommy. Mommy. He loved this bird. He got a lot of toy here. He spent the day here and he sleeping in a little cage on the night. But in the daytime, I put him over here. He's in freedom and home. He's walking on the floor. He plays sometimes with my dog. My dog really love him. And I'm very glad for him. Right, Nacho? Nacho. You have to say hello, Paola. And hello, the rest of the people. For help me. And back to my house. Nacho. Hello, Nacho. He's eating good this morning. He's eating orange, strawberry, crumbled, the dry food. He loved really nuts. He asked me for nuts this morning. What else he got? But he got a lot of bunches food this morning. And now he started talking. That's very important. Yes. Yes, good boy. Start talking, Nacho. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Mommy? Mommy? Daddy? Where is my daddy, Mommy? Kiss Mama? Kiss Mama? Kiss Mama? Kiss your mama? Kiss your mama, Nacho? You lucky boy. Lucky. Yes, that's a good name too, Lucky. Lucky boy. Lucky Hudson. Yes, that's a Lucky Hudson. My Lucky Hudson. Nacho, Lucky Hudson. Mwah. Toby, what do you want? Again? Okay. 1 second.